Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. Today, we're diving into essential off-grid cooking methods that every prepper should know about. From propane stoves to solar cookers, we'll cover a variety of options to ensure you're prepared for any situation. Recent events like power outages and natural disasters have shown how crucial it is to have reliable cooking methods when the grid goes down. Having multiple cooking options ensures that you can prepare food and boil water no matter what happens. By the way, any items mentioned in today's video, I will provide a link for in the description below. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about propane stoves. Propane stoves are versatile and reliable. They can use 1-pound bottles or larger tanks, making them suitable for both short and long-term use. Propane is very stable, so it can be stored long-term and can be used with heaters and generators, providing multiple functions. Just remember to have adapters handy for various connections. Propane stoves are perfect for everything from boiling water to cooking a full meal. Always ensure proper ventilation when using indoors. Next, let's look at butane stoves. Butane stoves store well and are compact, making them great for tight spaces. However, they may not work efficiently in cold temperatures, so they're best suited for moderate climates. Butane is ideal for camping trips and short-term emergencies. Now let's discuss dual fuel stoves. Dual fuel stoves are convenient as they can run on propane and butane. This flexibility ensures you can use whichever fuel is available, making them a reliable choice for emergencies. These stoves are particularly useful when traveling or during long-term power outages. Rocket stoves are another great option. Rocket stoves use biofuel such as sticks, twigs, and firewood. They are highly efficient, providing intense heat with minimal fuel. Perfect for outdoor cooking, rocket stoves can boil water quickly and are excellent for preparing meals in a survival situation. Let's look at folding stoves next. Folding stoves use biofuel and are designed to save space. They're easy to carry, making them ideal for bug-out bags and emergency kits. These stoves are lightweight, making them easy to transport. Next, let's talk about sterno stoves. Sterno stoves are simple and use canned heat fuel. They are excellent for heating canned food and keeping food warm, though they provide lower heat than other stoves. Sterno cans are safe to use indoors and can be stored for a long time, making them a reliable option for emergency cooking. Tablet fuel stoves are another compact option. Tablet fuel stoves are compact and use solid fuel tablets. They're lightweight and easy to use, perfect for quick meals on the go. These stoves are great for long-term emergencies and backpacking trips. Let's talk about alcohol stoves. Alcohol stoves are a clean-burning and efficient option for off-grid cooking. They are lightweight, making them perfect for camping and emergency kits. Alcohol fuel is easy to store and handle, and these stoves are capable of boiling water and cooking meals quickly. While alcohol stoves may not provide as much heat as some other options, they are a reliable backup when other fuels are unavailable. For an eco-friendly option, consider a parabolic solar stove. Parabolic solar stoves use the sun's energy to cook food. They require no fuel, making them a sustainable option. Just ensure you have plenty of sunlight for optimal performance. Solar stoves can cook a variety of foods from boiling water to roasting vegetables without any environmental impact. Let's talk about the Kelly kettle. The Kelly kettle is known for its speed in boiling water using biofuel. It's highly efficient and comes with various accessories such as pot supports and hobo stoves, enhancing its versatility. This kettle is perfect for making quick meals and boiling water for safe drinking. If you have access to a gas or solar generator, an electric stove is another great option. Electric stoves can be used with a generator, providing a reliable cooking method when power is available. They're versatile but require a power source. If using a gas generator, make sure to have enough fuel to last through the emergency. Propane grills are also great for off-grid cooking. Propane grills offer convenience and quick heating. They're perfect for grilling and can use the same propane tanks as your stove. Propane grills are versatile, allowing you to cook a wide range of meals outdoors. Charcoal grills are another option. Charcoal grills are familiar and provide great flavor. They're a reliable choice for off-grid cooking, especially if you have a good supply of charcoal. If you run out of charcoal, you can use biofuel like sticks and wood. Finally, let's not forget about the traditional campfire. Campfires use biofuel like wood and are a classic method for cooking. With the right skills, you can cook almost anything over a campfire. Using a grill or grate over the campfire provides a stable surface for cooking pots and pans, making it easier to prepare meals. This method is excellent for grilling, boiling, and even baking if you have the right equipment. Now, let's talk about different types of fuels you can use for off-grid cooking, starting with propane. Propane is a versatile and long-lasting fuel option. It's ideal for stoves and grills and can also power heaters and generators. Propane has a long shelf life and is widely available, making it a reliable choice for preppers. Next, let's look at butane. Butane stores well and is compact, making it a convenient choice for small stoves and portable cooking devices. It's easy to find and relatively inexpensive, but may not perform well in extreme cold temperatures. Biofuel is another excellent option. Biofuel includes natural materials like wood and twigs. It's readily available and sustainable, making it perfect for stoves like the rocket stove and campfires. Sterno is a simple and effective fuel source. Sterno provides a low heat source, perfect for warming food. It's safe to use indoors and burns for a long time, making it ideal for emergencies. Let's discuss solid fuel tablets. Solid fuel tablets are lightweight and easy to use. They're ideal for backpacking and emergency kits. These tablets burn cleanly and can be used to heat food and boil water quickly. They are a reliable fuel source when other options are not available. Let's discuss alcohol as a fuel option. Alcohol is a clean-burning fuel that is perfect for small stoves. It's easy to store and handle, making it a great choice for indoor and outdoor cooking. Charcoal is great for grilling. Charcoal is ideal for grilling and provides a familiar cooking experience. It's easy to store and use, making it a reliable fuel for off-grid cooking. Finally, let's talk about fire starters, beginning with lighters. Lighters are essential for starting fires quickly. Have a variety, including regular, long, and torch lighters to ensure you're prepared for different situations. Regular lighters are great for everyday use, while long lighters are perfect for reaching into stoves or grills. Torch lighters can produce a high-intensity flame, useful for igniting stubborn materials. Next, let's look at matches. Matches are a reliable backup for starting fires. There are several types to consider: strike box matches, strike anywhere matches, and stormproof matches. Strike box matches are the standard type, requiring the box to ignite. Strike anywhere matches can be lit on various rough surfaces, making them more versatile. Stormproof matches are designed to stay lit in windy and wet conditions, ideal for challenging environments. A ferro rod is another great fire starting tool. A ferrocerium rod or ferro rod produces hot sparks when struck with a metal striker. This tool is highly durable and can be used in all weather conditions. It's an excellent backup for when lighters and matches fail. Practice using a ferro rod to ensure you can start a fire quickly and efficiently in an emergency. To wrap up, having a variety of cooking methods and fire starters is crucial for any prepper. From propane stoves and solar stoves to lighters and ferro rods, each item has its unique benefits and uses. By preparing now, you can ensure that you and your family can cook food and stay warm no matter the situation. Remember, I've provided links for any item mentioned in this video in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more tips on emergency preparedness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your own tips and experiences in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching Texan Prepper. Stay safe and keep prepping.